Today I'll be showing you some advanced F12 insertion algorithms, including this case, but this pair over here needs to go right here, being solved like this. So today I'm basically going to go through 4 more advanced F12 insertions for a pair that is already solved. So for this case, where this pair needs to go into the back like so, you can just rotate it, but there are some tricks that you can do, and this is one of them. So you do an R2 to start off, you do an F to pair this up, you do R, F prime, R, and that should solve this pair into the back. Once again, R2, F to pair this up, and then you solve the cross with R, F prime, R. And doing it fast will look something like this. So in the exact same case, there's actually another insert that you can do. And for this insert, basically you're using wide F moves to insert it. So basically what you do is you just hold the pair over here, and you do wide F, R prime, F prime. And that will solve the pair to the back. Now, although this is only 3 moves, I find that it isn't that much faster than the first insert that I showed you, mainly because of the wide F moves. But just in case you're curious, this is what it looks like if I do it fast. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one final algorithm for this exact same case. Once again, it's when this pair needs to go into here. So if you've heard of the rule method, some of you may know that if you have this exact same case, where you need this to go into this slot right here, you can just hold it like this and do wide R prime, U prime, R, and that will solve it into the back. But if you try to do the exact same method here, you see that that actually messes up the cross piece, as in the Seaford method you actually do have some pieces along this slice right here. So what you can do instead is, once again, you put this over here, you do R prime, U prime, R, U, and prime. Now that is a few extra moves, but then again that does help to preserve the cross. So doing it fast will look something like this. So those are 3 inserts, all for the exact same case. You guys can really choose which one works best for you. This is the next case. We have a pair in the front, and the slot is also in the front, but it's not like this pair, where you can just insert it. For this one, it actually does require a rotation to solve. But there are 2 cool tricks that you can do. One of them is sort of the reverse sledgehammer, which goes like this. You first solve this pair, and then you just solve this block right here. Doing it fast will look something like this. And this is the second algorithm. You put this pair over there, and you do this. Wide R, U prime, R prime. And then you do a U to pair up this block, and you insert this block with R, U, R prime. Doing it fast will look something like this. So that's gonna wrap it up for this tutorial. As you can see, something as simple as just inserting a pair, or even rotating to insert a pair, there will still be some advanced trick for it. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos about advanced F12 tricks and algorithms, feel free to check out the playlist over here in the top right hand corner, and it'll take you to my videos on advanced F12 tricks and algorithms. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.